And he's like, we bought this keg for you, Santos. You better drink it. And he's like, no, I'm not going to.
Santos is such an army name. I don't know why. It really sounds like a Santos.
Yeah.
Totally. Wow.
So.
That's
like,
one of the reasons. What is he doing in the military exactly?
He's an engineer.
That's his main object. And you were going to be a doctor.
Yeah, medic.
But it's boring.
Here's one.
In a bit.
Well, I brush my teeth. I'm wearing my retainer.
Oh, you have a retainer?
Well, I only wear it at night.
Cute.
Not really.
And you had your teeth whitening.
What an eight. Tagalog, so I'm gonna get punished.
You should teach me. Matuto ka. Matuto mo ko. Matuto mo ko. Teach us.
Nabubulol ako. Tuto.
Matuto mo ko.
Tutuhin ka. No. Wait, I have to think about it. Kailangan ko isipin kung paano i-construct yung sentence.
I-constructing sentence.
Or I'll say, in English. Kailangan ka matutuhan magsalita ng Tagalog. Pero,
What?
itulitin ko magsalita ng Tagalog kahit na bolol ako.
Bolol. Like the prince. Wow, that was weird. That whole outfit wearing.
Oh my god. Ay, nako.
Grabe talaga. I swear, all my friends are like, I remember this. They're flipping through the channels. They're like, oh my god, that's Will calling everyone. Turn it to ABS now. Will. Embarrassing. But you look nice. It really is.
No. Think so.
You're like, yeah, I know.
No, it was so embarrassing. Oh,
Like,
gosh.
I look pretty good.
It was funny, though. It was funny.
Sobra.
I mean, nakakatawa.
Sobrang nakakatawa. That was a good time.
If I were to be and watch it, I remember what I was thinking at the time.
I know, right? Excuse her. Kain tayo or yun?
Wait, I'm not going to. I want to brush my teeth again.
Research.
What?
No, I'm just thinking.
Research? Are you referring to, like, your...
Let's eat. Or watch me eat or... Sobrang bago yan. Huh? Yeah! Hungry?
Hungry.
No.
Bakit?
You want anything? Soda? Tea? Yeah.
Ano, Riza?
Are you mad?
Kuya Ruben? Why? Why would I be mad?
Oh, siyempre naman. No. You're making tampo. Grabe!
Wala kayo. Papagulat naman ito. Parang lutong ano. Labaw.
Grabe, sarap.
Ay, oh, mami. Kutit mo naman. Thank you. I love it.
Naawa na ako sa'yo.
Sure ka?
Nating kapatid to eh.
Have you guys with itlog again?
Ano malapit na?
Mabubugbog
Ha? Malapit na.
Kasi, mga kuya ko, hindi! Cha! Tapos yun pala ako yung nabugbog niya, nakatawa na.
Bacon. Long.
Oh, pretty baby! Dapat, sumaya tayo ng topic dito para sumaya ka.
Sige.
Hindi ka kumakain ng sardines.
Dude, you don't know what
Oh my
you're
God!
You don't know what you're missing.
Favorite ko yung sardines, kakain
I eat
ako.
sardines.
May rice pa ba?
Meron.
Happy tayo, man.
Wala na. Lahat sa akin. Lahat sa akin.
I feel like I'm in...
Di ba, Riza?
I beg you. Oh no, I'm okay, thank you.
I'm begging you.
Right.
Meron akong retainer. Okay, fine. Hindi ako...
I'm just joking. Joke lang.
I've had
Galing, ha? Sa Amerika mo pinagawa yan.
Wow, sardines. Wow, fun. I want sardines too. Wow, so nice. What's that? Oh yeah. I used to have a retainer like that, where it's hassle.
Tingnan mo.
Naging hassle siya para sa akin. You know what? My dad got so mad at me dati kasi siguro mga grade 3 ako. May ganyan ako. And it's like so expensive ba? He's like, bakit mo winawala? Here siya, as in, lagi siya nawawala. As in, nami-misplace. He's like, it's like $75. And then I'm like, I like it. Oh my God, I'm gonna eat the heart.
You can't eat. Well, is it up and down? No.
Like, you want to see it?
No. I mean, also here, you have retainer.
Oh, no. I have nothing down here.
You have braces for both. Yeah.
I'm gonna go to sleep. Are you going to sleep?
You are. So just prepare at the back of your
I'll go very soon.
And drink.
Ooh, thank you, Eva.
Ano to? Kuna.
Wow. Si Ma'am Ate Ayo kakain. Sarap kaya.
I'm having so much fun.
Seryoso?
Ikaw ulit?
Kanina wasn't fun.
Ito na, parang nalabas mo kasi.
Everything else?
Ayan.
Oh, saya.
Diba? Nalabas mo tapos...
Okay, what's your name? Grab. Funny. Tawag ka. Alam yan.
Paano ito? Ulit take, tanong mo kuya. Sa mga minor.
Iniisip mo ulit.
So sayang.
Yung buhay niya.
Ayaw, gusto mo ba to? Sardinas.
Someone's like,
Ayaw mo na to?
oh, it was your boss, dear friend. Like, that's not true because, I don't know. I wanted to yell at them because that person made a choice. It's not God's island.
God has a plan for each and every one.
Yeah, well, God has choose the freedom to choose, and someone chose to kill him.
Han, patabi naman tayo, please.
Don't worry.